Like, share, subscribe.
RPG-7 warheads. PG-7VL heat. Egyptian SAKR Cobrra heat. F-7 North Korean high explosive fragmentation round. DZGI-40. Iranian tandem heat. KO-7M HEDP. PG-7MT tandem heat. PG-7V heat. OGV-7 fragmentation round. OGV-7M fragmentation round. PG-7VM heat round. PG-7VS heat round. PG-7M heat round. PG-7VR tandem heat. TBG-7V thermobaric round.
Amazon-class Type 21 frigate, British Royal Navy general-purpose escort that was designed in the late 1960s, built in the 1970s and served throughout the 1980s into the 1990s. Vickers 4.5-inch Mk. 8 naval gun, British naval gun system which currently equips the Royal Navy's destroyers and frigates. Caliber 113mm. Rate of fire, 25 rounds per minute. Maximum firing range, 27.5 kilometers. GWS 24C CAT SAM launcher. British short-range surface-to-air missile system. Operational range, 5,000 meters. Oerlikon 20mm AA cannon. Swiss auto cannon. Caliber 20mm. Rate of fire, 450 to 1,000 round per minute. Corvus chaff launcher. It is a British shipborne chaff decoy launching system manufactured by Vickers Limited Shipbuilding Group that was effectively the last line of defense against enemy anti-ship missiles for any ship equipped with the system. MM-38 Exocet missile launcher and platforms. French-built anti-ship missile. Operational range, 42 kilometers. Maximum speed, 1,148 kilometers per hour. STWS-1 triple torpedo launcher. This was the main ship-based anti-submarine weapon deployed by the Royal Navy, and other countries, at the time of the 1982 Falklands conflict, with 2 being used on most Type 21 frigates. Type 912 director radar. This was the director radar used on the Type 21 frigate to direct both the ship's Mk8 4.5-inch naval gun and the GWS-24C CAT SAM, with each having its own radars. Lynx helicopter series. Lynx has .2 with 4 Sea-Skewer anti-ship missiles. Lynx AH.9A, desert and woodland colors. Lynx Mk.23, transport. Lynx AH.7, desert and woodland colors, with engine filters. Sea-Skewer anti-ship missile. British lightweight short-range air-to-surface missile, designed for use from helicopters against ships. Argentine Panhard AML-90. Iraqi Panhard AML-60-12. Super Étendard. French carrier-borne strike fighter aircraft designed by Dassault Breguet for service with the French Navy. Blowpipe Manpads. Man-portable surface-to-air missile that was in use with the British Army and Royal Marines from 1975 to 1985. Effective firing range, 3.5 kilometers. Warhead weight, 2.2 kilograms. Series of Paveway 2 laser-guided bombs, LGB. GBU 12 500 pounds LGB. GBU 16 1000 pounds LGB. MK13 Shatin 1000 pounds LGB. GBU 10 2000 pounds LGB. GBU 24 2000 pounds LGB.
HMS Queen Elizabeth class. Aircraft carriers of the United Kingdom's Royal Navy consists of 2 vessels. The lead ship of her class, HMS Queen Elizabeth, was named on July 4, 2014 in honor of Elizabeth I, and was commissioned on December 7, 2017. Her sister ship, HMS Prince of Wales, was launched on December 21, 2017, and was commissioned on December 10, 2019. They form the central components of the UK Carrier Strike Group. FV-101 Scorpion. British Armoured Reconnaissance Vehicle and Light Tank. It was introduced into service with the British Army in 1973 and was withdrawn in 1994. It is armed with 90 mm gun. G9 and Panther helicopter series. Z9WAPLA light attack helicopter. Z9WAPLA light attack helicopter projectiles. Z9WA with HJ8 TGM racks. Z9WA with HF25 57 mm rocket pods. Z9WA with 23 mm gun pods. Z9WA with HF70 90 mm rocket pods. Z9WA cockpit. Z9WA wreck. G9B light utility helicopter. G9B cockpit. G9B wreck. As 565MB Panther French light utility helicopter. As 565MB Panther cockpit. As 565MB Panther wreck. HM1 Pantera Brazilian light utility helicopter. HM1 Pantera cockpit. HM1 Pantera wreck.
Like, share, subscribe.